What's up YouTubers, you're watching SideTrackAvenue, and today I'm doing another unboxing and review video. This time it's on the AQP Dashcam X1. Online it costs $130, total I paid for is $142 after taxes in California. If you want more information, see the link below in the description box. You can download the AQP Cam app on Google Play and App Store. It comes in a sturdy box. First thing you'll see is this owner's manual. This time I installed the rear view camera in the cab of the truck for several reasons. One, since both cameras are 1080, I should have no problems getting clear image. Second, believe it or not, people are stealing the tailgates off of trucks. One of my coworkers had her tailgate stolen at her home early in the morning, and it only took the thieves about 5 minutes to steal. And third, I just didn't want to crawl under the truck again to run the wires to the frame. Now I'm just going to dump the entire content out. This yellow-orange thing is called a trim removal tool to help tuck in the wires. This will be the 20-foot cable for the rear camera. Double-sided adhesive tape. The rear view camera. This little camera is also 1080. This is the 10-foot mini USB charging cable. The AQP dash cam. If you look inside, they also provide a 32 gig SD card. The good thing about this trim tool is that I can use this to press out the memory card. 2-port USB card charger. I had to make some adjustments on the camera in order to mount it in the inside of the cab. I had to take the swivel mount of the camera because this actually fits upside down, and then make my own L bracket from a 2-hole conduit strap from a piece I had lying around. What I did was cut it in half and use a hammer to form it into the L shape. Now the test run. The image on both the front and rear is really good, especially in the rear camera, filming through the factory tint of the truck. You can see the GPS on the lower left hand corner, speed limit, and also the date and timestamp. The dash cam uses UTC or Coordinated Universal Time. If you manually set the time and don't sync with the Wi-Fi, then you have no problem. But if you set it to the wrong UTC and sync it with Wi-Fi, you'll end up having issues. The other thing I have problem with is a Wi-Fi. If you live in an apartment and don't have the range, you won't be able to set it up properly, unless you use an open Wi-Fi that you trust. Personally, I don't like using open Wi-Fi. If you own a car and know how to do the setup and have good Wi-Fi, this would be a great camera for the price. But if you're a truck owner like me and live in an apartment, the rating starts to go down, especially if you have to mount it in the inside and make your own L bracket. The problem mounting on the outside is that you have to crawl underneath the truck and run the wires through the frame. In fact, the online video instructions recommend that you have a professional install it for you. This could run you up another additional cost. I would rate this 4.75 out of 5. That's if you own your own car and know how to do your own installation. For a truck owner, I would have to give this a high 3 to a low 4 because of the fact that you have to make your own adjustments to the setup and the Wi-Fi. Don't forget, watch till the end for more videos. If you like this video, wait until the end for more links to random videos I do. And don't forget, stay sidetracked.